Ariana Blake had always been told she was beautiful. From the time she was a little girl in a small, crowded neighborhood, strangers would pause to admire her soft features, her striking green eyes, and the way her confidence seemed to glow even in worn-out clothes. But for Ariana, beauty was never just about compliments, it was a doorway. A way out. A chance to become something more. She didn't just want to be admired. She wanted to be a supermodel. Every night, she would stand in front of a cracked mirror in her tiny room, practicing her walk. One foot in front of the other. Chin up. Eyes forward. She imagined flashing cameras, bright lights, and her name echoing in grand halls. Ariana Blake, she would whisper to herself. The next big face. But dreams, she would soon learn, are never as simple as they look. At 18, Ariana left her hometown with a small suitcase and big hopes. She moved to the city, loud, fast, and unforgiving. Everything felt bigger there, the buildings, the crowds, and especially the competition. Everywhere she looked, there were girls just like her. Beautiful. Tall. Ambitious. Some even more than her. Her first casting call was a disaster. She stood in a long line of models, each one looking flawless. When her turn came, she walked into the room, heart pounding. Walk, someone said coldly. She walked. Turn. She turned. Thank you. Next. That was it. No smile. No feedback. No second glance. Outside, Ariana sat on the pavement, holding back tears. It wasn't what she expected. She thought talent and beauty would be enough. She was wrong. Days turned into weeks, and rejection became routine. You're too short. Your look isn't unique enough. You need to lose weight. You need to gain weight. Every agency had something to say. Every critique chipped away at her confidence. She started questioning herself. Was she really beautiful, or had people just been kind? Money became another problem. Rent was high, and opportunities were rare. She took part-time jobs, waitressing, handing out flyers, even cleaning studios where other models worked. Sometimes, she would watch them walk confidently, laughing, living the life she dreamed of. And she would wonder, why not me? One night, exhausted and defeated, Ariana almost gave up. She sat on her bed, staring at her reflection. Her eyes looked tired. Her shoulders slumped. The girl who once practiced her walk with pride now barely recognized herself. Maybe I'm not meant for this, she whispered. Her phone buzzed. It was a message from her mother. No matter how hard it gets, don't forget who you are. You were never meant to be ordinary. Ariana closed her eyes. And something inside her refused to break. The next morning, she made a decision. If the industry wouldn't accept her as she was, she would improve, but on her own terms. She began training seriously. She worked on her posture, her walk, her expressions. She studied famous runway shows, practiced poses for hours, and learned how to carry herself with power. She also took care of her health, not to fit someone else's idea of perfection, but to feel strong. But the biggest change wasn't physical. It was mental. She stopped chasing approval. She started believing in herself. Months later, she walked into another casting call. This time, something was different. She wasn't nervous. She wasn't desperate. She was ready. Walk, the judge said. Ariana walked, not just with grace, but with presence. Every step told a story. Every movement carried confidence. The room went quiet. Turn. She turned slowly, locking eyes with the panel, not to impress them, but to show them who she was. For the first time, they didn't say next immediately. They looked at her. Really looked. Stay, one of them said. Her heart skipped. That day, Ariana didn't get the biggest job. But she got something more important. A chance. A small brand signed her for a photo shoot. It wasn't glamorous. It wasn't famous. But it was a beginning. From there, things didn't magically become easy. There were still struggles. Still rejections. Still moments of doubt. But now, she had proof that she could do it. And she refused to stop. Years passed. Slowly, steadily, Ariana built her career. Small shoots turned into bigger ones. Local shows became international runways. Her name began appearing in magazines. People started recognizing her, not just for her beauty, but for her story. She wasn't the perfect model the industry once demanded. She was something else. She was real. And that made her unforgettable. One evening, standing backstage at a major fashion show, Ariana looked at herself in the mirror. But this time, the mirror wasn't cracked. And neither was she. Her reflection showed strength, confidence, growth. A young girl nearby, nervous and shaking, approached her. "Hi. I just wanted to say, you're my inspiration," the girl said. Ariana smiled gently. "I used to stand where you are," she said. Scared. Unsure. "But listen to me, don't let anyone tell you you're not enough." The girl nodded, eyes shining. When Ariana stepped onto the runway that night, the lights were brighter than ever. Cameras flashed. The crowd watched in awe. But for Ariana, it wasn't about them anymore. It was about every rejection she faced. Every tear she cried. Every moment she almost gave up. And every time she chose to keep going. Because being a supermodel isn't just about beauty. It's about resilience. It's about standing tall when the world tries to shrink you. It's about believing in yourself, even when no one else does. As she walked down the runway, powerful and unstoppable, Ariana Blake finally understood something she had been chasing her whole life. She was never just a beautiful girl. She was a fighter. And that was her true power.